Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Prajapat, and in this video I'm going to tell you how did I learn English, and I'm going to share some tips which I followed and improved my English. So you can follow and improve your English. And my first tip is reading. If you are learning English, it is necessary to read something in English. You can read anything, whatever you feel like. You can read the newspaper, you can read the comic, you can read the books, whatever you like. Okay, so when you read something in English, your tongue becomes flexible to speak English fluently. Okay, because we have to become a fluent speaker. So that's why it is necessary, it is very necessary, and it is too significant to read something in English. And my second tip is watch something in English. Whatever you watch in English, whether it is movie,
Mr. Barber, we have a national security matter that has gone critical.
it is comedy,
What? I'm pregnant! You're not pregnant! Wait, who's pregnant? Me! Congratulations!
it can be anything. But you have to watch something in English, you have to listen in English. Okay, because suppose you know how to speak English and you have to talk to someone in English. You can speak English, okay, but you don't understand what other people is saying. Okay, so how will you answer him? So it is very important to watch and listen in English. And the third tip is very important, very significant, which I'm going to tell you, is speaking. Okay, you have to speak in English. Every day you have to practice by speaking, because you are learning English as a language, not as a subject. Okay, so you will have to speak in English. You can start from basic.
My name is Laurent, French. I'm cook in a hotel.
You can narrate your day, what all did you do in your entire day. You can speak, you can tell about your entire day. It is very easy and simple. Okay, so you can do this. And if you narrate your day in English, you can become confident to speak English. Okay, so these three things helped me a lot to improve my English. And I believe that if you do the three things, you will definitely improve your English.